We're trying to cross the street without dying.
Times Square on steroids.
I sort of lied to her.
They're just selling you everything.
We left home to travel the world and brought work with us. Follow the journey as we immerse ourselves in cultures around the globe and inspire others to do the same.
We're Brandon and Erin. Subscribe and stay tuned. Boarding our flight to Medellin, and after going through some footage from the first couple of days, we realized we're wearing the exact same shirts. We do have other clothes, I promise, but not today.
Buenas tardes, señores y señores. Mi nombre es Medellin.
That's correct.
Board to Medellin, and Brandon's talking to Chase. His credit card is messed up.
Just clicked confirm. It's loading now. On our way, starving and excited to settle in for a month.
And it's so beautiful.
Oh, it's such a great drive, and the weather is perfect.
We made it!
This is home for a month in Medellin, and it's very nice. There's no living room, but that's okay. We were thinking about having somebody stay, and we were like, oh, you can stay on the couch. We don't have a couch.
It's Colombian Independence Day! Woo! Yeah, let's go! Woo!
This is like our, third day in Medellin, but it's our first
second
time.
Full day.
Yeah, first time really going out and doing some touristy stuff.
Found the metro, now we just have to find the Civica card. They're just selling you everything.
This is Plaza Botero that we're walking into. Apparently it's a very famous park for the large figures that the artist makes.
I thought it was gonna be a park. There's not much grass here.
I sort of lied to her. I said it was a park. It's actually just a plaza, but it's pretty cool. It does have art. It has art.
I mean, I like art.
We started at the Plaza de Botero, which we know now is named after Fernando Botero, who's a very famous artist here, as we've seen, because they have a huge exhibit in this museum that we're in right now, which is called Antigua. It's debatably the most famous museum in Medellin. At this point, we're getting a little tired, and hungry. So there's this vegetarian place right near here, which is apparently really good, so we're gonna go check it out. That's it. For each person, it was only 12,000 pesos, which is like $4.
headed to El Mercado del Rio, which apparently is a market that was inspired by Chelsea Market in New York. So very close to home for us. Took the subway here and we're in such a different atmosphere than we were before in more like the city center, which was crazy hustle and bustle, people shouting, screaming, selling you things, like Times Square on steroids.
The city's so expansive. There's so many different pockets of it that seem to be so different. Like our neighborhood, Loredes, is like a quiet, nice neighborhood. And now we're in a very nice, kind of quiet area on a highway. So we'll see how this day takes us.
El Mercado de Rio. El Mercado del Rio?
Del Rio.
Something like that. People are playing Pong over there. Like, what is happening? I'm so excited to go on. Let's go.
Are people playing Pong?
To make some breakfast, and it's Brandon's first day of working remotely.
It's day number 1. Feels pretty good to be working from our room. I got a pretty good setup here. I was able to turn the TV into my external monitor. So everything's going good. We are headed to an Airbnb experience where we're going to learn how to cook Colombian food. No gracias. Hopefully we'll learn how to cook some of the local cuisine that we've been eating that has been so good. We're trying to cross the street without dying, and we'll see how it goes.
I'm about to go teach my first dance class at Via Danza. I have arranged to teach 4 classes on Tuesday nights. This is my first one. When we were back in New York, I had started reaching out to different studios in Peru, Ecuador, Colombia. I had some workshops and classes set up, but it's all now just coming to fruition and super excited. Medellin, and we're with our French friends, wherever they are.
Pierre and Clem, shout out.
And we're in front of the old railroad station. This is a
become the most dangerous place on earth. The most dangerous place on earth in the early 90s. When you have a character like Voldemort that is as determinant for the history of the city, of the country, even of the world, there is a moment when fiction meets reality, and then a myth is born. This monument behind me is telling you the history of paisas. Have you ever heard the word gringos?
This is cool.
So there are local brands.
Sketchy Square, Sketchy Square.
What's the New York accent called?
New York accent. It's amazing.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Amazing beer. Oh my god.
Thank you guys. I love salmon, suspense, beautiful. Oh my god.
This is the end of our first week in Medellin.
We've been working on our separate jobs. Right now, my job is to work remotely as a contractor for my company at home. And Erin has been editing these videos that you're gonna see.
And dancing and teaching dance.
We love Medellin so far. We're excited to explore more. We have a lot of excited things planned for the rest of the month.
As for now, we're gonna go out and get a bite to eat and some drinks. Tomorrow morning, salsa lessons. Hit subscribe, stay tuned, and follow the journey.